Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Property location, and there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. This property along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check the description. If you have already checked out from this property, please share your experience in the comment box.